Hi everyone, great that you're interested in our Autarky Rate tool. In this video, I would like to briefly explain what the Autarky Rate tool is and how it works. The tool was developed in course of the Interreg Store4HUC project and is available for everyone who considers installing an electrical storage in combination with renewable energy sources. So, you do not have to be an expert to use this tool. In addition to the English version, the tool is also available in German, Croatian, Slovenian, and Italian. As you can see in the input window, there are only a few input parameters which have to be entered by the user. First, the type of energy source has to be selected. You can choose between photovoltaics, wind energy, and small-scale hydropower. If you choose a photovoltaic system, for example, information about the peak power, the orientation, and the inclination angle are necessary. For the other two options, the orientation and the inclination are not necessary. Moreover, the consumer characteristics have to be filled in. You can choose between several consumer types. For every consumer type, a characteristic load profile is used in the calculation, which is scaled by the total energy consumption per period. Moreover, you have to choose the country where the storage should be installed. This, for example, has an influence on the energy tariffs, which are used for the calculation. Furthermore, the size of the storage and the maximum charging capacity have to be defined. If you need more information on a particular input parameter, you can click on the blue information button. Finally, you have to decide if you like to run the calculation for a whole year, or if you like to have a look on a specific period of time, like for example on the winter or on the summer months. By clicking on the calculation button, the calculation is carried out. This should only last for a few seconds. We can now first run one calculation without a storage, for example. In addition to the Autarky rate, which is displayed in the diagram, you also get an evaluation of the technical, economic, and ecological effects of the chosen configuration. So for example, the energy cost savings and the amortization period are displayed, as well as the CO2 emission savings in comparison to 100% grid consumption. If we add the storage now and press the calculation button again, we see the effects the storage has on the system, like the increased Autarky rate. You can now start to vary the parameters in order to find the best storage configuration for your system. By clicking on the Create Checklist button, a PDF is generated which fulfills several functions. The first part is a calculation protocol, which allows you to easily save your results. The second part provides you with an interpretation aid. The included explanation text is changing depending on the calculation results. Moreover, some founding opportunities for storages and photovoltaic systems are shown. The third part provides you with specific information about the integration of storages in historical urban centers. If this is relevant for you, please have a look on our project website where you found more information as well as some best practice examples. I hope this short introduction video was helpful for you and has raised your interest to try out the tool on your own. If you'd like to get more information about the tool, you can click on the Show Tool Information button or visit our project website where you also find two more calculation tools.